You don't always notice components from Betech, but they play a crucial role in all kinds of products and technical facilities. Betech, your specialist when it comes to gaskets, molded rubber, vibration isolators, and other polymer-based products for every conceivable industry. Betech is a supplier for something bigger, for what surrounds us, helps and fascinates us in everyday life.
Our basis of existence rests on long, good relationship with our customers. The fact that you come back again and again and again. Also when you're facing challenges or problems. And in such situations, Betech, we will put all our knowledge into solving your problems, into optimizing your factories and into improving your products.
Betech doesn't mind sharing know-how. It is at the core of the company's DNA. Together with the customer, the product experts develop the solutions. They provide guidance in material selection. They understand your application and can also make suggestions for design improvements. Customers achieve a gain in competitiveness, in terms of longer service life, less maintenance cost, or other improvements.
We can solve practically all tasks for our customers, and we move quickly from prototype to serial production. We provide a broad range of manufacturing types such as punching, CNC cutting, water jet cutting, compression and injection molding, and we also do glue and assembly tasks.
Betech has its own production in Denmark and China, and sales offices in Copenhagen, Esbjerg and Stavanger. The Chinese factory supplies both internationally and locally. This brings Betech close to international customers. Customers can expect a little more. The components are often part of critical functionality, and a disciplined quality control procedure is at the absolute core of the company culture.
The most important is to understand our customer requirements and to apply them to our quality management system. We do this through incoming inspection and ongoing control in all processes. All operators are trained in measurement methods to ensure that a product always meets the expected quality.
Betech's roots go back 100 years to some of the earliest industrial production in Denmark, and a dynamic trading company providing technical materials for a rapidly growing manufacturing industry. Betech's role rests on great agility, know-how, and the ability to support the needs and opportunities of the industry. Tell us about your amazing product, your exciting idea, and the tricky challenge that you're facing. We'll find a solution. Quite simply, this is our mission: improving your products.